Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn SQL complete from ChatGPT. Right now, I just got on some stuff with aggregation, except I lost some of my code because I closed the tab on accident, which is unfortunate, but everything actually ended up working anyways, so it really doesn't matter. So I'm just going to tell it to move on as everything worked out fine. I'm just going to tell it that I was able to get through it. So it's giving me some options if we want to revisit joins by looking at right joins and full outer joins and self joins. Also learning about subqueries, indexing, transactions, and SQL views. Now I obviously have no idea on what I actually do want to learn, so I'm going to tell it to choose for me. Okay, we're learning about subqueries, which is actually lesson 7, even though this is like 5th day, because sometimes I would get through multiple lessons in a day. Okay, let's say you want to find the name of students who are enrolled in the same course as Alice. So I feel like in SQL we don't actually have like normal variables I can say. So if I wanted to say get the course ID from Alice's class, I would like in the normal language like declare that as a variable and then double check it there. But in this case, I would just put in parentheses. And let's look at this other code first. Try to figure out what it is and then read the explanation. So we're gonna select the course ID and the average age, and we're grouping by the course ID. And basically what we're doing is we're only choosing from people that are aged over 20. So in this case, the first thing SQL would do is go through our students table, find everyone who's over 20, get the course ID and age, and then group them all by the course ID, and then the average age corresponding to each of the groups, I believe. And now we also have correlated subqueries, which references columns from the outer query, making it more dynamic. But I guess the initial table with all the ages is our outer query. We're getting that. And then we look into the inner query, which, oh my god. I think I know what this is doing, but I'm not completely sure. Could you re-explain this? This is how I think it works. Okay, this is what I think it does. First, get all the students, then return all students whose age is greater than the average age of their class. Hopefully this is right. So this is I'm on the right track. So yeah, it said my understanding was correct. Then why did it say I was on the right track? It's asking me if I have any more questions, but I don't have any more questions. So I'm just asked it to remind me about the assignments. Because like all my old code is gone and I don't want to rewrite my entire table, I'm going to ask it to just give me the initial data. Okay, our first task is find the students who enrolled the same class as Bob. So let's select the name where the course ID equals Bob's course ID. So then I say select course ID where, all I have to do is where name equals Bob. So that should work. I probably have a billion mistakes though. And you're telling me Bob is a unique class because multiple people are in computer science basics. Oh shoot, I think maybe select course from students. Is that my mistake? That's so weird. I think I just like made some weird error and like it just totally broke SQL. Next, calculate the average age of students older than 20. Instead of saying students, we're gonna say select where the age is greater than 20, and then I feel like we have to do something afterwards. Like, is it like as subquery? No. Yeah, as subquery. I thought I was right. Okay, we forgot a semicolon there. No such column. Course ID. Where? Oh, it's course ID with a uppercase D. My bad. Wait, what? Oh, I have to select the course ID here too? Is that? Because that's the only difference I see. I guess that does make sense because I'm selecting this from its own table, and if this I forgot to select the course ID here, it won't be able to find the course ID and group them. Finally, use a correlated subquery to find students whose age is greater than the average of age in students in their respective courses, which is something we did in an example, but I'm probably gonna screw it up anyways. Students as outer, I believe. Yeah, I'm definitely screwing this up. Let me try to think of this again. I mean, this is what I would think at first glance. Or maybe we put the age grader here. Course ID equals outer dot course ID. I definitely screwed this up. If I didn't, then it's a miracle. Why do we have a syntax error on line 33 again? Row value misuse on line 37. Okay, let's look at the actual example. So it says select the name and age. That's where I already screwed it up. So I actually got... Oh shoot. It was supposed to be select average age. Oh, that actually makes a lot more sense. Okay, no, never mind. How am I screwing this up still? Why did I forget from students? This is actually really sad. Why can I not just remember to say from students? Like, this is the whole point that we're selecting what it's from, and yet I don't remember. Okay, this is my final code, which is basically an exact replica of the code it showed me in examples, but that doesn't matter, okay? Now, of course, it says my queries are excellent. It's kind of because it's the code that provided me in the beginning that I slowly had to shape into because I can't memorize syntax. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hopefully you subscribe. Like always, bye-bye.